In this video we are talking about if Chainlink continues his move to the upside or do we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we saw this explosive move to the upside from Chainlink. We first came back into this demand zone right here, where we started the bullish move to the upside from in 2020. And after we came into this demand zone right here, we then saw this move to the upside again, and we had a supply zone right here, which was the top of this range which was building since May 2022. And I said the chances high if we are breaking this range to the upside, that we then see an explosive move to the upside. And normally the longer a range is building, the more explosive will the breakout be. And as you can see, after we broke this supply zone to the upside with this weekly body close, then Chainlink was exploding to the upside. From the down to the top, we saw a move about 60%. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Chainlink. But now the question is, can we continue this move to the upside or do we see a move again to lower levels? As you can see, after we made this breakout out of this supply zone, we then saw this move to the upside. Then we came into the supply zone, and this supply zone caused the lowest low in the last time. So the chance was really high that we are coming into the supply zone and that we see a bearish reaction. And as you can see, after we came into the supply zone with the weekly body close, then we are seeing this bearish candle which is going to the downside again. So if we want to see higher prices for Chainlink, it's very important that we are coming again to the upside, that we are breaking this last high, and the most important is that we are breaking this last highs and supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. Because if we are seeing this explosion to the upside and this daily or weekly body close over this supply zone, then the chance is extremely high that we see even higher prices for Chainlink. And as we go on the daily chart, I think the chance is high that we are coming again into this demand zone. And if we are seeing a bullish reaction in this demand zone, then the chance is high that we see even higher prices again from this demand zone. So for the mid and long term, I'm bullish on Chainlink, and I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And for the best entry, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone, and if we see a bullish reaction in this demand zone, then I move into a long position, and then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Chainlink. And if we are breaking this last high and this supply zone to the upside, then the chance is high that we see an explosion for Chainlink. And it's very important that we don't break this demand zone to the downside, because if we are breaking this demand zone to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then we are seeing this break of structure right here, and I think the chance is high that we see again lower levels for Chainlink. But if anything interesting happens for Chainlink, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Chainlink. So all in all, we saw this explosion from Chainlink after we broke this supply zone to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here and made 60% with Chainlink. Right now we are in this supply zone, and this supply zone caused the lowest low. So it's really important now that we see again a move to the upside. And if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is very high that we see even higher prices for Chainlink. And in the best case, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone, and just if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here, then I would move into a long position to go to the upside again. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.